Hello, Illinois, Michigan, and Ohio. My name is Jose Schmidt. I am the Patient Services Director for Hair Transplants of Florida. We have a surgery center in Orlando and one in Fort Myers. It is a privilege to be representing Dr. Samuel Bada, who is a board certified cosmetic surgeon, has been performing hair restoration for over 25 years, and has performed over 13,000 hair restoration procedures. Our team of technicians are very experienced as well. We're excited because we are offering our patients from the Illinois, Michigan, and Ohio area a $500 discount. We understand you have a lot of options from up in the Midwest to here in Florida. So we are offering you a $500 discount, which will cover your airfare, even a couple of nights hotel. And if you already live down here in Florida, have a second home here, well, you still get the $500 discount. If you check out our website at www.hairtransplantofflorida.com, you can check out our results page. I think you'll be very impressed. We guarantee our results, so you absolutely have nothing to lose. We tend to be at least 30% more affordable than a lot of folks up in the Midwest area that offer these services. So we welcome you to check us out, and we certainly look forward to being of service to you. You can call us for a free virtual consultation at 855-855-4310. We ask that you send us pictures of different areas of your scalp, and they are HIPAA protected. We don't share them with anyone. And Dr. Bada will be happy to give you a free virtual consultation so you'll know exactly what the game plan is, what the exact cost is, including that $500 discount. So you can reach us again at 855-855-4310. And again, our website is www.hairtransplantofflorida.com. We look forward to seeing you.